This is the science practical seating plan. Now for starter, okay, you want to click on the template button here to download the default template that I have created. Now the default template allows you to input all the candidate details that we need for the seating plan. Okay, like names, reporting time, index number, so and so on and so forth. Once the data is uploaded in this format, okay, close it. Then after that, upload the template into the panel here, and the candidates will be loaded into the system here. Okay, so things to take note is you can change the title of the exam center, your SSS name, and your CPE names here. Once everything is okay, click on the second tab, the seating grid. You will see you'll be greeted with the seating plan, okay, layout. Now things to take note on this button here, all these 20 seats here, there is what we call a free selection. Example, I want to change Tarzan name seating plan to the top. Okay, so what I need to do is click on the original seat and click on the final seat, and they will swap seat. So if I want to change Tarzan with Mickey Mouse, what I do is click on the original seat, click on the final seat, and they will swap place. Okay, so the seating allow you to change. Lah. So let's say if you decided not to have any changes, you can press the reset order. Okay, things to take note: you have 2 shifts. Okay, there will be, you can view the selection of the shift 1 and shift 2. Okay, likewise you can change the seating plan. Once everything is okay, click on the third tab, printable seating plan. You'll be greeted with the seating plan. I try to put this output here as the one that I saw it on the SEAB form. So you'll be greeted with the seating plan this way. So once you check through the 2 shift here, if it's okay, you can click on the export button here. Then you can export it to a PDF whereby you can print out and pass it to your respective teachers, or even paste it on your science lab. Okay, the main aim of creating this seating plan is actually to minimize all the paperwork, and also to get rid of any mistakes I might make when I transfer names from Excel file to the manual seating plan when I do it before these simulations. So with the simulation, the transfer is actually 100% accurate.